Hello, I'm Bruce Board, talking to you about the liability insurance requirement of motorcycles here in California. And the liability requirement on a motorcycle is the same that it is for people that have cars here. The minimum liability that you have to have is $15,000 per person, $30,000 per occurrence bodily injury. After that, you need $5,000 property damage. And it's usually fairly inexpensive to bump that $5,000 up to $10,000. In some cases, it's quite literally $2 or $3 per year more. So talk to an insurance agent or a broker like myself and ask them, well, what's the cost to make it 15, 30, and 10? If you own a few houses in an oil well, maybe you need higher limits of coverage, or maybe you should have higher limits of coverage. The reason I say that is because you can get in an accident and sometimes it's not even your fault, but you still have to pay for the damage done because you might bear some liability. And therefore it'd be pretty inexpensive to bump up that coverage to the leasing company requirements of $100,000 per person, $300,000 per occurrence bodily injury, and $50,000 property damage. So find out your total assets and inquire as to your insurance professional as how much coverage you need or should have, and go from there. Another thing might be good to check out your driving record. If you have any tickets or accidents, of course, it's going to cost more to have that same insurance that you would have with somebody who had no tickets, no accidents. So keep your driving record clean and then ride safely, and then you'll have a fairly low cost motorcycle insurance. I'm Bruce Board, talking to you about motorcycle insurance here in California.